This is the mac and cheese sandwich. Y'all see that though, man? Give me some. That's really good. This is like some stuff you make when you high. I'll tell you straight up. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Thank you for joining me on another episode of JL Jupiter TV. Say what's up.
Sup.
You know what I mean? We're currently here in Philadelphia. It's on like a real cloudy, rainy day right now. Yes. And we're on the corner of 18th and Chestnut. That's how you guys normally win me, is online presentation, right? So I saw their Instagram. I saw something about mac and cheese, and then I saw something about lobster. You can get it. You can get it in the sandwich form. And I'm like, let's go try it out. But the one thing I must say is, not everybody can do mac and cheese.
Nah, they can't, man. But
hey, they say this is not your mama's mac and cheese, so.
Say, yeah, I like my mama mac and cheese. I don't know about y'all. I love my mama.
Everyone's preference on mac and cheese is mad different, so we're gonna come in here and give them a shot. It's actually in the Rittenhouse section of Philadelphia. Before we get going though, do me a favor, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's go eat some good food. Do you guys have lobster?
So we don't have lobster right now. We had lobster about a week and a half ago. We go to Mac at the moment.
Man, they don't have lobster today though, but they do have crabs. But they got a good selection. This place is dope, man. It's real cozy up in here, you know, on the corner of 18th and Chestnut. All right, man, so we here, man. We got 4 mac and cheese orders. We got in the buff. We got a cowgirl cup with chicken. We got mac and cheese sandwich. And we also got the Krabby Mac, which is like a crab dip that they put on top of it. This is the cowgirl cup, I believe. You know? Each bowl is around like $9 to $10 too. So, I mean, with mac, you don't need too much mac to really get you filled up. This smells really good. This is like barbecue sauce. She told me she used like 7 cheese blend in it. Like I said, not everyone likes everyone's mac, so I know you guys are gonna be kind of tough on it.
It ain't your mama's mac.
It ain't your mama's mac and cheese. You know what I mean? This is the this is the Krabby Mac. You can smell that crab. Can you smell it?
You see these big nostrils, man. You know I smell it, man. Come on, man.
Yeah, it's like a crab sauce. They use lump crabs and they pretty much make it into like some sort of crab dip, and then she just layers it on there. That is good too. And this is in the buff.
In the buff.
In the buff looks really good, man. Let me tell you, in the buff might be my favorite. Off the eye test alone, I think in the buff is it right here.
Yeah, that drizzle look good, but I'm a crab fan. That crab was in like my favorite right now.
Yeah, so this is the sandwich. I'm gonna do the reveal, man. What we doing first?
Might as well do the sandwich. The sandwich is something different.
Do the sandwich. The sandwich comes out really fast. Everything comes out fast.
And the door opened up. As soon as the door
This is what I'm really excited about. On their Instagram, they actually have the sandwiches with lumps of lobster, but they don't have lobster today. I'm gonna have to come back for the lobster, but
oh God. Oh shucks.
you can smell this.
You can see it.
You can smell it, you can see it. Oh man. Oh, I wish she would cut it for us. Can she cut it for us? So they're gonna cut it for us, and I'm gonna show y'all, man.
Show you right.
Yo, shout out to this Shirley Temple though. This Shirley Temple is really good.
Oh man, juke. Ready?
Here we go. This is the mac and cheese sandwich with bacon in it. Can y'all see that? That just alone just looks beautiful. You know what I mean? Like, look at it. Can you see this?
I see it. Yeah, I see it.
Shout out to Mart, man, doing something real special with mac and cheese, you know? The presentation's on point. Now, I gotta take a picture.
I know you do. That's why I said, listen, man. I was waiting. Listen.
He got an Android, right? He always used my phone to take pictures. I got an iPhone.
Androids. Shout out to
There we
you,
go. I'll see that though, man. Give me some. This is the type of food that, you know, if you have nothing planned later on, this is the one. This is one right
You
here.
want to sleep?
You gotta sleep right here.
Hey, let me take one picture of this.
This joint hefty. Cheers, man. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and support local businesses. You heard? Let's go for it.
Round one.
You want a napkin?
I got shit.
I feel like he's gonna fall out. All right,
Let's go.
Go. That's really good. Oh yeah, that bacon kicks in right really well too. Shout out to the 7 cheese. You taste it.
One more again.
I'll tell you what, that toast is buttered really well, whatever they put on it. This is a heavy sandwich, let me tell you.
I'm glad I got to eat this by myself, man.
That's a fact. Try it again. That's really good. I can only imagine what the lobster would taste like in this though. She said she had it last week. That was good.
Yeah, facts.
So this one is the
That's the
Cowgirl Cup.
Yeah, that's the cowgirl cup. Cowgirl. The cowgirl cup.
So what
yeah.
you see here is a cornbread crunch. That's what she tops it up with, and then she puts the like a oil on it first, a jalapeno oil on it. But it's a lot of sauce on here. It's a lot of cheese on here. The type of food, if you ain't worried about your diet, man, go ahead and indulge. You know. So you ready for this?
Ready for it?
I'm gonna dig in the front right here.
I'm
Big
going
bite.
right here. Oh,
That's heavy.
shit. This thing husky. Whoa, now tame it.
There you go. Cheers.
Cheers. Well, I'll be damned.
That's freaking delicious. Look like a barbecue sauce on there.
Yo,
That's pretty damn good.
I never thought I'd like barbecue sauce and macaroni and cheese together.
That's a fact.
Yo,
Very well done. I'm gonna keep that digging. This is pretty damn
Yeah.
good. This is like a barbecue mac and cheese if I have to describe the flavor.
Oh,
This is like barbecue and mac and cheese all in one right here. Hold on, one more. Last one. That's really good. I'm digging that cowgirl's really good, man. Has like a jalapeno, it has a little kick to it, but not too crazy, like, you know me. If you guys don't like spiciness, you might like this because it's really like light, you know? We're gonna save the Krabby Mac for last because I know that's what you want. In the buff.
in the bomb.
Pretty much like a buffalo, buffalo chicken mac and cheese, to be quite honest. Top it off with some panko and some buttermilk and whatnot. Let's dig in, my brother. We're using different forks this time.
That's right.
I mean,
So this one for that first one.
ready?
Yeah, would you like a bag as
Good,
well?
dig in.
You got it.
Big bite.
Thank you.
Come here.
Yeah, this is hefty, man.
Ready, Chief?
Like I said, man, y'all gonna be like, oh, hold on.
Oh man, he made me drop my cheers.
Cheers.
Our forks and napkins are right in front.
That panko's it adds a really good texture to it. This is really good too. So pretty much like a buffalo chicken Mac and cheese, you know? The flavor stands out, that's for sure. I'm gonna do this again. One more bite for me. Because if I eat all this right here, y'all not gonna see me for like the whole summer.
This year I'm gonna take the whole summer off.
It's good.
Wait, that's it up? Let's go.
I'm actually really surprised at how good this is. This is good.
So, are you looking for more like,
Man, anywhere else in the world we want to be right now, but we here at Mac Mart.
Shout out to Mac Mart, man.
Shout out to y'all.
Saxon closes out after 8.
I'm down for the finale, my brother. This is heavy. It's getting to me. I'm getting a little full right now. How you feeling?
Yeah, if you
I'm still awake.
Still awake?
Still kicking.
All right.
Right on the corner. And then
I'm getting a little full.
Crossover Samsung, the 19th and Samsung.
So let's do the Krabby Mac, man. We're gonna end it off with a boom.
Switch that fork?
Yeah, I switched up the fork.
All right, you want the full flavor of that thing, man.
John's is like the other one's.
I'm in.
Like I said, it's pretty much like a crab dip that she layers on top of it. Okay, I'm gonna go right here. We'll do it like this. Big bite, big bite. Can y'all see the crab in there? I don't know if y'all can see the lumps of crab meat in here. Either way, cheers to y'all.
Cheers. Cheers. Oh!
That's good.
The crab. I'm a crab fanatic.
Do you guys love crab? This is it, man. You take this is a lumpy crab in here. Very crabby. I'm digging that too. My heart was set on a lobster, but this crab was pretty damn good.
Man.
But I'll tell you what my favorite is though. These two. In the Buff and Cowgirl. That's a fact.
I like that crab one, I like the cowgirl.
The sandwich is good too. But like I said, I have my heart set on a lobster one. This is like some stuff you make when you high. I'll tell you straight up. If you smoking an L or something like that, this is something you make right here at home. Other than that, man, this is Mac Mart, very, job well done. It's good stuff right here, You guys gotta come here with an open mind. JL Jupiter? Hey, look it up.
Well, good luck on that.
Subscribe, please. Absolutely. All right. So, very well done, man. You guys gotta come here with an open mind. Know that people's mac and cheese is different. This is definitely on the different side, but it's very delicious, very tasty. I'm digging the whole, innovation of this as far as just adding, barbecue sauce and buffalo sauce and crab on here. You know what I mean? Like it's served differently too, sandwich form. So I'm definitely coming back. How about yourself?
I'm coming back because you still want the lobster, don't you?
Yeah.
That lobster calling your name, so listen, that's what this is gonna be.
Oh man, that's a heavy meal.
And don't be farting on the way home, all right, man?
You know what they say about the planet Jupiter, right?
Gas is
The most gassiest planet. Yeah, I appreciate you guys joining me, man. We about to, I'm kind of done, I don't want to overeat right now. He's going to go ahead and eat because he's greedy as hell. But yeah, we're going to wrap this up, man. Appreciate Mac Mart. Make sure you follow them. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Follow us. Oh, snap. Somebody just got, it's pouring outside and someone just got, they was close to the curb and the car came by and just soaked the hell out of them. I'm going to have to stand out there to get some B-roll of that. Stay tuned. But either way, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you get their Shirley Temple too. It's delicious.
I'm about to go refill mine.
Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next episode, all right? Peace.
Peace.